Little Rock's police chief files a federal civil lawsuit claiming in part there's a conspiracy against him. In it, 20 people are named, including the Fraternal Order of Police. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Fox 16 News. I'm Kevin Kelly. Of those named in the lawsuit, many were already suing the chief for claims ranging from abuse of power to retaliation. Our Susan L. Corey has more from the chief himself and his attorney.
It's not a case against the city of Little Rock.
Taking the stage with his lawyer, Little Rock Police Chief Keith Humphrey.
It's not about Keith Humphrey. You don't treat people this way.
Lays out the reasons why he believes more than 20 people, including current and former officers, the Fraternal Order of Police, and a city HR employee, have violated his civil rights.
I didn't talk to the mayor. No parts of the city was involved in this.
He claims they've been part of an organized attack to discredit and undermine him.
A rogue group led by the Little Rock Fraternal Order of Police.
The chief's suit comes in the wake of 5 lawsuits filed against him since April, most by officers who accuse Humphrey of abuse of power and retaliation.
That you're incompetent, that you're mean, that you're an intimidator, that you're a sexual harasser.
Chris Burks represents several people in those lawsuits.
The chief is taking the unprecedented action of suing his critics.
He claims this is the chief lashing out and continuing to retaliate against his clients.
Have your clients been conspiring against Chief Keith Humphrey?
No, absolutely not. And Chief Humphrey didn't treat them equally. We tried to work it out privately with Chief Humphrey and with the city. He declined, so they filed lawsuits.
Humphrey ended, saying he believes this suit will ultimately bring the department together.
This is about the right thing. This is about the young officers who are looking to move and grow, and the young officers who feel intimidated because they can't stand up for themselves.
Meanwhile, the city of Little Rock and the police department file a Supreme Court appeal against former officer Charles Starks, who has since quit the force. Starks was fired for shooting and killing a black man during a traffic stop. A circuit court judge ruled his use of force was justified and ordered Starks to be rehired. The city and LRPD are now appealing that ruling. The court's decision was based on claims that Starks' actions from the time he exited his patrol car until he shot and killed Bradley Blackshire were those of a reasonable certified law enforcement officer. The department claims Starks was fired for violating a general order which states officers will not voluntarily place themselves in a position in front of an oncoming vehicle where deadly force is the probable outcome. Now, several city board members have spoken out before, saying this isn't a fight the city should be in. You can find the entire brief on our website, fox16.com.